Okay, so when a car comes in, whether it has damage to the fender, the front bumper, we'll look at it, diagnose how deep it is, whether it needs a new part. A new part will come in matte black, so it's going to need the entire thing painted. If it's just scratched up, sometimes we can fill the scratches with Bondo, like you saw up there in the shop, and then it'll be primed, and we'll have to blend. When blending is painting this panel, and then say this door wasn't damaged, to match the paint we have to blend into that door. So we have to paint that door basically. We can do any paint job. We don't really specialize in custom paint jobs, but I mean, if someone's willing to, you know, spend the money or whatever they want to do, we can do it. We have the ability to create pretty much any color, get any color. This is a factory color, a factory silver, which we mix in the mix room. I can take you in there and show you basically how that's done. Here we have the mixed bank I was talking about. It has pretty much all the different kind of pigments, metallics, pearls. It's pretty standard with any paint company. This one is Spies Hecker. I personally find it's one of the best. We've tried many. You can mix with the computer over here. You basically enter the year, make, and model and the VIN number, and then you can find the paint code on the car. Factory paint jobs usually tend to have sometimes 5, 6, 7 variances. So if a car is painted in North Carolina and a different one's painted in Missouri, they're going to have different variances because paint is so touchy. Here we've got the paint booth. This is a front bumper, a fender that Derek's just got done painting. If you look around, we've got ceiling lights, we've got wall lights, we have a double row vent. These on the wall are blowers, and they dry the paint quicker. So after these are taken up there, they'll be put on the car and it'll be ready to go after it's washed.